Hi, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to Body Training Fitness Show. This is the workout is only for cardio urgency workout. This is the complete lose the weight and immediately 10 days of complete burn your calories and lose the weight. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please do this exercise. Actually, this exercise is only for 3 circuits is there. Each circuit is 5 moves and 4 to 5 moves. Maximum burn calories and 25 to maximum 250 calories burn. 250 to 300 gap. So this is the workout is the each move is 25 repetition and 30 repetition is choose your level. This is the workout is the complete. First before you start the workout is only for warming exercise and after finishing is compulsory and cool down exercise is compulsory. Ready to start the workout. First you start the workout is like keep your hands like this. Just warm up. Yes, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one warming up. Warming up. Yes. Yes, warming up. And left to right twisting. And left to right twisting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. And keep your legs open like this. Hold it few seconds. 10 seconds. 9, yes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one. Okay, ready to start the workout. Okay, ready to start the workout. First you start the step by step and outside. Step by step, step by step, step by step, side by side. Okay, ready? Start the workout. 1, fast, 2, 3, step by step. Simple, you can do anything. 3, maximum, come on, ready, go 4. I will do only for one set only. Because of so many batches, there are online batches. That's why I am doing only for 20 repetitions only one set. You do only for two sets only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 8, 9, yes, 10 side by side. Like this side by side is the maximum repetition is first set. Second set is like yes, keep your hand, keep your right leg is backward, keep your right leg is backward and kick. Fast, intensive burn. 20, 19, 18, 17, intensive burn. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. And change another side. 1, 2, 3, maximum come on, ready, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes. 10, last 10 more, 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4, 3, 2, only 1 more. 2 moves is finished. And third move is 1. Left to right, right to left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. 3 moves is completed and 4th move, yes, keep your hand like this, oblique crunches, standing oblique crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic at move. 5, 10 more. Last 10 more, 9 more, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. This is a complete maximum burn your calories at home only. Simple exercise, best result. Okay, and this is the first circuit is completed and go for second circuit. Second circuit is the maximum burn your calories is high. Okay, do this before you watch. Second circuit, take the first hands like this, open your legs, open your legs and do the exercise only 1. Yes, sumo squats. 2, 3, 4, 5, simple 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 10, last 10 more, 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3, yes, 2, only 1 more. And do the exercise step by step and side by side is completely. And again second move, second circuit, second move. Just drop 1 and 2 times and step by step 1 and 2 times, and step by step 2 times, 1 and 2, and again step by step 1 and 2 times, step by step 1 2 times. Imagine this is the complete burn your calories is only tone your thighs muscles. Okay, ready? This is a simple basic exercise. Just stop and sit down 2 times, like one leg is sit down like this, and again another side 1 and 2 times. Just simple basic exercise 1 and 2 times. This is the complete maximum burn your calories. Okay, next one is simple exercise like, okay, left to right, right to left, and touch 1 2 3, yeah, simple 4 5 6 7 8 9, yes, 10, last 10 more, 9 more, 8 7 6 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, only 1 more. This is exercise. Next exercise is simple basic. I am using only for mat, you using only for pillow. Okay, ready? I am taking just mat, put it mat in here. Yes, put it mat in here like this. You like pillow also, no problem. Pillow. Okay. Just 1, that's 2, 3, maximum burn 4, 5, 6. Yes, very good. 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10. This is the maximum burn your thighs and hamstring muscles. Okay, simple exercises, the best results. Okay, after that, go for shuffling exercises. Shuffling exercises 1, 2, 3, complete 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffling 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only 1 more. This is the complete burn your thighs muscles. Okay, and open like this and open, shuffling like this. Also, come on, inner thighs work on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Simple exercise. 5, 4, 3, 2, only 1 more. Is the complete burn your thighs muscles at, like, simple. Do the another exercise also, no problem. Okay, ready? And simple exercise is the best exercise. Okay, 1, just hold it few seconds, and after that 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just hold it like this. Just up to down, down. Maximum is outer thighs and inner thighs is effective. The maximum burn your calories like this. Yeah, simple basic burn at home only this workout. Complete burn your muscles, complete burn your calories. Okay. Okay. Ready to start the third circuit. Okay, this is the complete. Next one is the third circuit. Ready to start the workout. Third circuit. Okay, but it's simple. I am doing only for dips and complete. Yes, like this. Hold it. Just hold it few seconds like this, and after that doing the dips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, this exercise is complete burn to the calories. 10 more, 9 more, 8, 7, 6, 5 more, 4 more, 3, 2, only 1 more. This is the complete burn your upper body workout. Okay, next we start with next simple. After that, we go for plank exercise. Plank, yes, like this plank, and hold it like this. Hold it, look straight. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 27, 24, 23, 21, 20. Okay, next one is and hands up and complete body stretch and look straight up. 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. And simple down. And after that, just go for mountain and Bhujangasana. Like this. Mountain, yes. Like this. And stretch. 1. Very good. 2. Well. 3. Yes. 4. Well. 5. Yes. 6. 7. Yes. 8. Yes. 9. Yes. 10. Maximum burning your calories. Simple exercise. Maximum burn your calories at home only. Okay. Ready to start. The last move is the complete leg raises or left to right touch. Choose your level. Choose your workout. Yes, lay down and put your legs up and down. 1, yes, 2. Simple basic exercise. 3, 4, 5, yes, 6, 7, yes, 8, yes, 9, yes, 10, yes. Complete burn your calories. Total focus and full body workout. Okay, after that last exercise is hyperextension and after that cool down. Okay, I did start the hyperextension. Take the support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 10. Is a complete burn your calories. Lose the weight at home only. Simple. This is the cardio exercise. The best results. I'm doing only for 1 set only. If you do more calories burn, 2 sets or 3 sets, choose your level and do it. Exercise.